Hi, in this demo, I'll show how NutriBullet uses a composable CDP on Databricks to drive smarter, personalized engagement by integrating data from multiple sources, ensuring quality and governance, unifying customer profiles, and activating them via Braze. We start by exploring how NutriBullet's customer data is stored in Databricks, structured in multiple layers, with the datasets categorized into bronze, silver, and gold layers under the NutriBullet object. The bronze layer contains raw data ingested from various sources, batch data via ETL tools like Fivetran, and web and app behavioral events from tools like MetaRouter. This includes data sources like campaign engagement, orders, and user behavior across web and mobile. The bronze layer also includes ADA's proprietary exact dataset for data enrichment to enhance profiles for personalized targeting. In the silver layer, the raw data from bronze layer is cleaned, standardized, and prepared for analysis. Each bronze dataset has a corresponding silver version, ensuring consistency and accuracy for downstream use. With clean data ready, the next step is customer unification. But first, we address a key challenge: resolving multiple identities from different touchpoints and linking them to a single persistent ID. Now let's move to the next step: identity resolution, the key to unifying the customer profiles. In this section, we'll show how Neo4j, a graph database, can help to build an identity graph for NutriBullet's customers to create a single persistent ID for each customer, including Tanya. Now let's walk through the notebook we built for ID resolution in Databricks. Here, customer data is prepared and exported into Neo4j using Spark, where we model the customer data using nodes and edges to represent connected customer journeys. Now switching to Neo4j, the graph database helps visualize the customer journey by linking fragmented identifiers like cookies and sessions across NutriBullet's touchpoints using nodes and edges. Next, let's observe the identity graph for Tanya. Zooming in on Tanya's identity graph, we are able to observe multiple nodes and relationships. Here, blue nodes represent traffic sources, orange nodes are browser cookies, light blue nodes are sessions, and the red node is Tanya's NutriBullet user ID when she logs in. We can clearly observe here the customer journey of Tanya, how she interacted with NutriBullet's website and mobile app through sources like Google, TikTok, and Facebook. Some sessions were anonymous, tracked by cookies, where other sessions were logged in. Neo4j connects Tanya's activity across devices and sessions using shared identifiers. After ID resolution, her entire journey is linked to a single persistent ID, shown as the large green node, representing her identity across all touchpoints. Now returning to Databricks, we can now see that Tanya's customer records include the resolved persistent ID generated from Neo4j, enabling a complete cross-platform view. This lays the groundwork for building rich, unified profiles in the gold layer. With identity resolution complete, we can now bring together customer data from across channels using the resolved persistent ID to create a unified 360-degree view of each customer. Customer data is unified in the gold layer, where we aggregate, transform, and enrich silver layer data into refined business-ready datasets for marketing, analytics, and activation. The gold layer dataset you see here, NBC36 score Zact enriched data, represents NutriBullet's unified customer 360 view. Each row represents a unique customer identified by their resolved persistent ID, and each column captures a specific attribute of the customer. Some attributes are straightforward, like age group, gender, and location. There are other attributes that are more complex derived from behavior, such as average order value, top product category, calculated using aggregation of transactional, behavior, and engagement data in Databricks. The gold layer also includes enriched attributes derived from ADA's proprietary exact data enrichment service. These attributes add an additional layer of intelligence to the customer profile, enabling more precise and personalized targeting. This unified customer 360 view available in the gold layer serves as the foundation for downstream activation, powering segmentation, personalized engagement through marketing platforms like Braze. Now that we've built a unified Customer 360 dataset in the gold layer, let's see how Databricks ensures enterprise-grade governance and security with Unity Catalog. Let's start with access control. With Unity Catalog's fine-grained user and role-based access control, Access to the gold layer can be granted to specific users or to specific roles, assigning permissions like select, manage, and all privileges as needed. Next, let's explore data lineage. Understanding where data comes from and how it's used is critical in any governed environment. Unity Catalog automatically captures end-to-end lineage of datasets, providing complete visibility into data flow. Here we observe how gold layer data is derived from bronze and silver layers, and how it's consumed in downstream tables and notebooks. This level of transparency helps teams with data discovery, troubleshooting, and assessing the impact of changes across the pipeline. Moving to the Data Quality feature, the Quality tab facilitates monitoring of data quality with an overview of the metrics like data freshness. Unity Catalog also auto-generates data quality dashboards to monitor row counts, null values, and anomalies, helping teams catch issues before they affect reporting. In summary, Unity Catalog delivers secure access control, transparent lineage, and data quality monitoring, forming a strong foundation for enterprise data governance. Now that NutriBullet's Customer 360 data is available in the gold layer in Databricks, let's see how it's activated into downstream tools using Census, a leading reverse ETL platform. Census, or any reverse ETL platform, syncs data from cloud data warehouses like Databricks into tools such as Braze, HubSpot, and Google Sheets, giving teams access to curated customer data without manual exports or custom pipelines. Using Census, NutriBullet sends unified customer profiles from Databricks to multiple destinations via syncs, all from one place. Here we observe data flows from the gold layer and synced into Braze for personalized campaigns, HubSpot for offline sales, and Google Sheets for internal reporting. This enables non-technical teams to access reliable customer profile data while freeing up engineering resources. Syncs can be tailored based on the data required and the frequency, hourly, daily, or weekly. Census also provides full data movement observability, with logs and alerts for every sync status, including success or failure, making it easy to monitor and troubleshoot. This setup in Census lets NutriBullet to activate customer profiles from Databricks into Braze, HubSpot, and more, powering seamless customer engagement and reporting. With data now flowing into Braze, let's explore how NutriBullet uses it to deliver personalized cross-channel engagement at scale. Now that NutriBullet's customer data is synced into Braze, let's see how it powers personalized engagement. We'll start with Tanya, the customer we've been following, and confirm her profile has synced successfully to Braze after sync from Census. We can see that Tanya's profile in Braze now includes rich attributes from Databricks like demographics, contact details, and complex behavioral attributes like average order value, all ready for segmentation and targeting, for personalized engagement and targeting. Next, we use these attributes in Braze's Canvas feature to orchestrate a customer journey to target high-intent, newly registered users who haven't yet made a purchase. The journey triggers if a user, registered within the last 2 days, hasn't placed an order, viewed over 4 product pages, indicating high intent. Once in the journey, they receive a personalized welcome email. After 3 days, we check and wait for the user to convert. If they've purchased, they exit the flow. If not, they're retargeted with Facebook ads. This behavior-driven journey helps convert high-intent new users more effectively. That concludes our demo, showcasing how NutriBullet uses a composable CDP on Databricks to unify and activate customer data, enabling timely, personalized, and scalable engagement.